Excellent, Rowan. Thank you very much. The main difference between an expression and an equation is what? What is the main difference between an expression and an equation, Abhijit?
An expression does not have an equal sign and an equation does.
Good. Equation has an equal sign because of the word equal being the root of equation. Easy way to remember it. When writing expressions, we need to look for keywords like in number 4. The product of 8 and another number. Product means we're going to do what?
Multiply.
Everybody.
Multiply.
We're going to multiply. And we listed several ways to write the product of 8 and another number. Yes, 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 yes. Is it okay to write it like this? No. And then why is it not okay to write it like that? The rule is right there. It may not be written with the variable in front of the number without a sign between them. Number 5 was a tricky one. Number 5 is where I came up with my cheat sheet that I wrote down. 7 less than a number. Many of you wrote 7 minus x. Was that wrong?
Yes.
Yes. You need to comprehend what you're reading. 7 less than a number is not 7 minus x. 7 less than a number is exactly what we wrote for the answer here. X minus 7 because we're taking away 7 from a number. The rest of them, pretty self-explanatory. Circling the keywords will help you, and apparently means what? And means we're doing what? Adding in that situation. Good. And then we went down to equations. Miss Ackerman did this one with you. Miss Ackerman, is there anything from this section that you think they should pay attention to?
It means equal. I think that's important.
Okay, so anytime you see the word is, you know you're not writing an expression, you're going to be writing an equation. And you guys were pretty good with the word is meaning equal, right?
Yes.
I believe we had that up on our cheat poll earlier this year. Okay, cool. And then the newest part of your learning here would be the anatomy of an algebraic equation. We have several parts. You all are pretty comfortable with this being the variable. If you have a number in front of the variable, we call that a
Coefficient.
If you just have the variable x, does it have a coefficient?
Yes.
What is the coefficient? 1.
1.
Just for kicks and giggles, what if you have negative x? What's the coefficient? It's a negative 1. Okay, what is this called?
Constant.
Is the constant ever going to change?
No.
Therefore the word yes. In an equation, is the constant ever going to change?
Never.
I did say never. Is it ever going to change? In 2x plus 4, are we ever going to change the 4? That equation, that constant will stay 4 always. It will never change. We could change the variable. We could put in a 1, a 2, a 3, or 4. We can't change the 4 unless we change the equation. Does that make sense?
Yes.
And then down here we have the answer. All of the parts of an algebraic equation are called
Terms.
questions.